Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a sneaker haul. All of these items were ordered from SHEIN, and I will leave the links in the description. But I should say it's a shoe haul, footwear haul. Let's get into it. And if you are new to my channel, I am simply Tashina. I do an array of pretty much everything. I have so many hobbies, and that's why the title of my page is simply Tashina on every social media network that I'm on, because it really is simply me. I love to garden, I love to cook, I love beauty, I love fashion, I just love everything. So even if you do not have the same hobbies as me, but you see like a little bit of even planning, I love stationery. Even if you don't have the same hobbies as me, stick around. I'm sure there's something that we have of interest together. And let's get started on the haul. First up, what I love about these boots is that they actually have the fur interior. They feel so comfortable. They feel like you're walking on air. This is the bottom. So comfortable. And this is the back. I like the metallic look. I believe it's trending. It's in. These are shoes that you can dress up or dress down. Especially, we just got snow this week. And sometimes you want to have like an all black dress on. And you just want to have some cute shoes on with them. Or even if you need something like a transitional piece to wear as you're walking into the office, especially when you get snow. But I feel like these are so comfortable and cute. And I also feel like they are, should I say, acceptable for the office, especially like a dress down Friday. I think these are super cute, and they are they feel so comfortable. But you can dress them up, dress them down with boots, especially if you're going to like a happy hour and you don't necessarily want to wear heels. You had a long day, or you just feel like being comfortable and cozy. These are cute. These are so cute. Next up, these are definitely a lot more sportier. They are, again, comfortable. They have the white fur, fox fur interior. They are really giving snow day. But these I would wear with jeans. I wouldn't necessarily say I would wear these types to the office unless I'm doing like a transitional piece. But I do feel like they're giving that sporty ski look if that's something that you're looking for. Definitely perfect to run errands and really just get your day started. And they are at such a great price point. And they have them in a different color, I believe, as well. But I went with the black. I feel like it's super sexy. Something that, again, that you can throw on and change up as need be. I thought these sneakers were super cute. And they're pink. They have the straps. I wanted something that I could just throw on and wear. And these are perfect with like a pair of jeans, shorts. You can travel with them as well. Really can complete a look, especially if it's like a dress down look. I don't know if I would wear these to the gym, but I would wear these as fashion sneakers just to add like that touch of pink to any look, especially if you're wearing like a cream. These are perfect, and they're also comfortable. I didn't wear them for a super long time, so I don't have like an honest review on that. But I will say, if you are looking for a super cute addition to add to your wardrobe, these are it. Super cute. And last but not least, These sneakers have glitter. If they're glitter, they're for me. So that's why I have them. They're glitter. I love glitter. They're pink and they're glitter, and they have the bow kind of like accent and style, which I thought were super, super cute. These are definitely fashion sneakers, and I would wear these with a pair of jeans, white top, shorts. Definitely cute for the pics. Honestly, they had a bow. They had a bow and glitter, and they got me. That's all it took. Bow and glitter. I couldn't ask for more. Super, super, super cute. I cannot wait to style these. These will also be cute with like a jumpsuit. I had a jumpsuit that I wore, like the cream one. Actually the jean one too. Like these would be super cute for that as well. But let me know how you would style these pieces. That's it. That's the haul. Let me know how you will style these pieces. Do you have a favorite pair of boots or shoes that I shared? Would you wear them with jeans? Would you dress them up? Would you dress them down? Especially like the sneakers. Those would actually be really cute with like a pencil skirt as well, depending on how you're wearing them and how you're styling them. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I cannot wait to chat with you in the next one.